I'm going to use one of these like little spring wall hangings from the Dollar Tree, a Dollar Tree wood round, and some of that contact paper from the Dollar Tree to kind of make a little spring sign. I thought we could cover the wood round with that contact paper from the Dollar Tree. I don't work with that a lot because I usually can't find like a style I like, but this one was like kind of a mint green with a white flower pattern on it. And I thought that kind of looked coastal and pretty for spring, and the colors are perfect. Very muted. Kind of a pastel mint green. So I'm going to cut out a piece of that contact paper and simply peel and stick on the wood round. And then I am using a sanding block to go around and give me a perfect cut. This contact paper from the Dollar Tree was very thin and pretty easy to cut with the sanding block. And that way you get a perfect cut. You don't have to worry about any of the wood showing through. And look at that beautiful background and very minimal effort. No painting involved. I just poke the holes back through it. And then I got to distress it a little bit. So I guess there is a little painting involved. I just do ivory working in one direction, giving me a little bit of a coastal vibe. Then I thought we could use that hanging sign I got from the Dollar Tree. These are really cute if you take them apart like this. Just pull the staples out of the back. You can kind of build your own thing. They have some really cute styles. And then you can get like a sign with words on it. This one's got like flowers as well. Live life in full bloom. The colors are nice and muted. I like kind of the mint green sign. Just kind of trying to alternate the colors. There's two yellow flowers, so I kind of alternate them across from each other to make it look a little bit more symmetrical. And then we're just going to start hot gluing these to our wood round. Super easy, and you don't even have to break out your Cricut. So I'm just going to go ahead and secure them all. I'm going to go ahead and use all these pieces. And this is a really easy little spring sign to put together. And I bet everyone's ready for spring. I am lucky enough to live in Florida, so our weather is already beautiful. But I remember we used to live in the Midwest in Missouri. We also used to live in Philadelphia, so I know about the winter and looking forward to spring for sure. Now, to kind of break it up, I decided to distress all of those with the ivory as well, just to kind of make it look a little bit less like paper and a little bit more handcrafted, wiping off the excess with a baby wipe. I always stack up on baby wipes, sometimes from the Dollar Tree, sometimes from like Target has a really nice generic one. You can get a really large bag of them and they work great for crafting. Now I thought I would replace the hanger with a wood bead using some of this wood bead garland from the Dollar Tree. This is the raw wood ones, but they have colored ones now as well. I'm really digging all of the wood beads they have at Dollar Tree. I used to have to order these on Amazon. So I am just cutting that down. You kind of have to remove the end one to be able to get the wood bead to move on those because they're kind of strung through, and then just tying that on the sign with the existing string that was already in there. And how easy was that? So fun, right? Now, this is me just wanting to add a little bit of a fun touch. I'm taking some of this burlap ribbon and I am just going to cut some little circles for the center of my flowers just because I thought it needed just a little bit more texture, and it's going to kind of give me that coastal vibe as well. And I just attach all three of my little burlap circles with hot glue. Then I was super happy with it. And this is our super easy little spring sign. I think it's really cute and very unique. So lovely.